Heavy on living the life I have imagined and prayed for because I'm just as worthy as everyone else. Heavy on being real about my personal walk and this journey I've started because I know what it's like to quit and start over, and I'm not doing that anymore. Heavy on good ties and healthy relationships. We are way too old to deal in mischief and unbalanced situations. Heavy on knowing my worth when it comes to every facet of my life. I'm not settling for what people think I'm worth. Give me what you owe me plus 10. Heavy on letting people know I'm good, but if you try to cross boundaries, it's going to be over. There are yeses and nos in every situation. My no is my no, and my yes will be my yes. Heavy on finishing what I started, even if it takes longer than I intended for it to be. Heavy on setting intentions daily, weekly, for a lifetime. I refuse to live carelessly and not honor the things that I'm speaking over my life. Heavy on being the head and not the tail, the giver and not the taker, the up and not the down, the first and not the last.